Some organizations engage in unethical behavior to gain competitive advantages, such as unethically or illegally collecting and using information about their competitors. But does gaming the system in this way always improve organizational performance? In 2017 and 2018, the Houston Astros used an illicit video feed and decoding system to obtain competitive intelligence about the types of pitches opposing teams were about to throw. They then relayed that information to their batters, hoping to gain what would seem a certain but unfair advantage in their batting performance. However, researchers investigating the professional baseball team's use of such illicit competitive intelligence found no statistical improvement in batting performance when the Astros cheated. Based on qualitative evidence, they proposed 3 possible explanations for their surprising finding. The first explanation stems from the players' presumed organizational professional identity conflict. The Astros players may have felt a conflict between their professional integrity and the cheating that their organization was asking them to engage in, creating a tension that undermined their performance. Second, information about the Astros cheating system leaked out to competitors, who may have taken countermeasures to defeat the system, or even take advantage of it by feeding misinformation. Finally, the Astros' sign-stealing system may have been disruptive to its players' finely tuned batting routines, hindering their ability to take advantage of real-time competitive information about forthcoming pitches. The researchers suggest that their findings and proposed explanations may extend to other organizational settings and types of misconduct. Wonder whether organizational misconduct actually leads to better performance? If so, please read this research paper.